Hello my lovely friends, this is Nev from Nev's Lifestyle, and in today's video I'm going to talk about essential brushes for beginners, meaning the brushes which are required to start your makeup journey. And this is the brushes which I feel which is important. I'm not a makeup guru or anything, but what I think is important and what I started with. So I'm going to share with you who are just starting their makeup journey. So let's get started. So here are some of the important brushes you need to start with. Here are like 4 plus 3, about 7 I would think would be sufficient to start your makeup. I want to talk about each and every brush, and I want to give options because, like, for example, this is a foundation buffing brush, but there are many kinds of foundation brushes and like beauty blender or sponges which you can use for your foundations. So let's start by going through one by one brush. These are the different tools you can use for foundation. This one, like I said, is a buffing brush, and you use in this circular motion, and it gives everybody says that it gives a flawless look, but I have very dry skin, so I am not able to use this brush mainly in a circular motion. But I have just started using this brush, and I used like in downwards motion, so it works kind of okay, not very great for dry skin. And this is another foundation brush. This is a flat foundation brush, but a lot of people are not very happy or do not use this flat foundation brush, but it depends on person to person. But you can definitely use this for concealer, which we will talk later. And the next two things I'm going to talk about, this is the beauty blender, and this is for you get it for $20. I know it's a little expensive, but you get a lot of dupes in the market which normally cost something like this would normally cost between $5 and $10. And beauty blender is, I feel, is one of the best to use the foundation. And you can use this for not just for foundation, you can use it for concealer. A lot of people even use this to put the powder. If you want to just press the powder to your face, you can use it. So you can use it for multi purpose. So the next brush is the powder brush. You definitely need this one, whether you have I would say oily skin or dry skin. Oily skin people, they people who have oily skin, they just use it all over their face to set their foundation. But for dry skin, I only use it for under eye, for the concealer to set. So the next brush is a blush brush, and I have these two blush brush, and this is not as thick, this is a little bit thicker, so it depends how each person uses their blush brush, so you can get. So the next essential brushes are definitely for the eyeshadows. You can keep 2 or 3 different eyeshadow brushes. For example, these two are from EcoTools, and they are like flat eyebrow brushes, and these are one of the main eyeshadows I started my makeup with. And this one is also a different kind of a eyeshadow brush, and this is a blending brush. So I think you should have at least 2 eyeshadow brushes and one at least for blending your eyeshadow, and you can keep spare one if you are putting different colors. So at least have three eyeshadow brushes, and at least one blending brush. You can easily get, the brushes. You don't have to go and buy, the high-end brushes. Like for example, I'm sorry. For example, these are Eco Tool brushes. You can easily get it, I got from Ulta, I believe, and you get them in sets. So you can buy one set and see, first, to first use from the set and see how you like it. Then once you get practice of putting the eyeshadows, you can go ahead and buy whatever you want. And even elf brushes are very affordable brushes. They normally start, I think, from between $2 and $3, and go up to $6. I think only their contour brushes $6, but mostly their brushes are $2 or $3. So they're really affordable. You can start your makeup with that. So now I'm going to talk about some optional brushes. These two are two different sizes in for concealer, but I hardly use these brushes for concealer. Sometimes I use this. I'm saying optional because you can use your makeup sponges or beauty blender to apply under eye, especially this side is small, so it can really get into the inner corners. And the next one is optional brush is this contour brush, and you don't have to buy this kind of contour brush. I bought it very recently. This is from elf because I just started learning and practicing contouring. So this is for $6 from elf cosmetics. So just to start with, I'm trying out contouring, so I bought this, but this is optional. You can always try with either powder brush, or you can try with your blush brush to begin your contouring, but it's up to you. So this is optional. So the next optional brushes which I have, which I use, is these are the two brushes I use to apply a black eyeshadow, because normally when I put a kajal or eyeliner on my lower eyelids, normally my kajal smudges within hour or 2 hours. So I apply a black eyeshadow with this small thin smudge. I hope you like this video, and please don't forget to comment below and let me know if you like this video. I really love to read your comments. It really makes my day. Don't forget to subscribe, please, and also follow me on Twitter and Instagram. It's Nev's Lifestyle, and also visit my website, which is www.nevslifestyle.com, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.